Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing fine. So today I will teach you a new and interesting topic. Find the day of any date. So I will tell you some few short tips and tricks to find the day of any date. So to find the day of any date, first you have to learn this table. How will we do this table? See, month code, year code and day. What is the month code? See, you know the months, right? This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we have to write the codes of this. We have to by heart the code. What is the code for January? 1 4 4 0 2 5 0 3 6 1 4 6. So this is the code for November. It is 4, right? 4 6. So for January the code is 1, February 4, March 4, April 0, May 2, June 5, July 0, August 3, September 6, October 1, November 4, December 6. How will we learn this code? It is very easy. See, 1 4 4 0 2 5 0 3 6 1 4 6. We'll learn this as a song, okay? How it is? 1 4 4 0 2 5 0 3 6 1 4 6. 1 4 4 0 2 5 0 3 6 1 4 and 6. Now year. What are the years here? See, we'll get what type of dates. See, 15 in 1500, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900 and 2000. We'll get 2000 means 20,022, 2022, 2023, 2024, 19,050, 18,060. Such type of years we'll get. So these are years. What is the code for this year? It is very easy, simple than this. What is the code? First we'll start with 0. The code for this is 6. The code for this is 4. The code for this is 2. And again 0 and 6. So the code is 064206. 064206. Now what is the code for this? This is day. Which day is this? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. What is the code here? For Saturday it will be 0. For Sunday 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's all. These are the codes for our days. So we got all the codes, right? So we have to by heart this code. Now we'll do the sum here. What is the question? Find the day on 2nd October 2022. He's asking us, he knows the date. He's telling us the date 2nd October 2022. But he doesn't know the day. So we have to find out what's the day. What was the day on 2nd October 2022? Now during the exam you can't go and search for a calendar and do, right? So the short trick is you have to learn this table and I'll show you the sum how to do it, how to solve. Find the day on 2nd October 2022. It is telling us 2022. 22, right? We'll take this 22 and write here. Now we will divide this 2022 this 22 with 4. 22 divided by 4. Why 4? Because of leap year we are dividing it with 4. So 4, how much are 22? 4 ones are 4. It will not go, right? It will not directly go. So which is the closest number to 22? 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder? 2 is our remainder. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 22 is 2. The remainder is 2. Now this 5 we will add it with this 22. 22 plus 5. Now plus Which number we will add? We will add this 2 here. The date, we will add the date 2 here. 2 plus, now what will we add? Month code. What is the month here? October. What is the code of October in month? Where is October here? Here. What is the code for October? 1 is the code. We will add it with 1 plus. Now we'll go to the year code. It is asking us 20, right? 2022. So which year will take? This year, 2000, because it is going in 2022. So we'll take the year code of 2000. What is the year code of 2006? We will add with 6. Now we will divide all of this with 7. Why 7? Because 7 days. We have 7 days in a week. Now see. Now we will add 22 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 is how much? You'll get the answer as 36 divided by 7. Will 7 and 36 go? No, right? But which is the closest number? 7 ones are 7. 7 how much is 35? 7 5s are 35. We'll get the 1 as our remainder. What did we get? 1 as our remainder, isn't it? See, 7 ones are 7. 36 will not go. But which is the closest number to 36? 35. So 7 5s are 35. 1 we got the remainder. Now we will come to the day code. In 1, which is the day here? 1. The day is Sunday. So the day on 2nd October 2022 is Sunday. So our answer is Sunday, 2nd October 2022 is our answer. Sunday is our answer. Now let's do the next sum. Find the day on 26th January 1950. Okay, what was the first step we'll take? We will take this 50. See, here we took 22 here, right, first. Now here we'll take this 50 here. Take 50. Now we will divide it with 4. 50 divided by 4 by 4 because of leap year. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 will get the remainder here. 4 twos are 8. So 4 12s are. What is the remainder here? 2 is our remainder. Because 4 12s is 48 and not 50, right? So we got the remainder as 2 here. Now what will we add here? Plus 12. This number, don't take this number, take this number, plus 12. See, here also we took this 5 only, right? Plus 12. 50 plus 12. Plus, now what is the date here? 26. We'll add with 26 plus. Now what we have to take? Month code. What is the month here? January. What is the code for January? 1. Add 1 plus. What is the next code we'll take? Year code. What is the year here? 1950. So which year you will take? 1900. What is the code for 1900? 0. Take 0 here. Now we'll divide it with 7. 50 plus 12 plus 26 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to 89. Put here 89 divided by 7. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 1 as the remainder. 7 twos are 14. What is the remainder we got? 5 is our remainder. Now 5. What is the which is the day for the code? Which is the code given? 5. Where is it? It is in which place? Thursday's place. So our answer is Thursday. 26th January 1950. So we got the answer, we got the date, Thursday. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.